Hello there, traders. Just wanted to go over a quick video with you. If you're going to be in our trade rooms, then I want you to be aware of some of the different tools that you'll see on a chart. We will do larger time frame swing analysis, looking at the highs and lows and the direction of the market, but then we will be on smaller time frames because this is looking for day trades. We will be using a mixture of the previous day's high, low, open, and close, along with the opening range. So the first 15 minutes in the equity markets gives you the low of the opening range, the high of the opening range. You have the midpoint, which is the 50%, you have the regular session open, and you also have, and this is one that I turn on and off, but it is the Globex high and the Globex low, and it also will give you the Globex midpoint, so the 50% of what it traveled overnight. If you ever see a moving average on the chart, then it will be a 20-period exponential moving average. Those are going to be the main things that you'll see on the chart. It's really just using supply and demand and using these zones and areas as we always do for trades, but giving us a few more things to rely on, especially when we look at the opening range, that first 15 minutes and how the market wants to get away from that area ultimately towards the towards the beginning of the day and the end of the day, so that the daily candle can be green or red. But when you look on the charts that I've got, you'll see a lot of lines a lot of times, and so I wanted to show you what they would look like. Opening range information, here's a slide on it. Bullishness, bearishness is a major area of interest. It's a high volume area. It's where the market opened and the market wants to get away from it. Crude oil is the first 5 minutes, 9 to 9:05. Index equities, 9:30 and 9:45. I've looked at a lot of different variations of the opening range, and these are the ones that I've settled on and will use in the trading rooms. Here's another picture just showing you the opening range high and low. And then when you see these blue, the dark blues are the previous day's high, the previous day's low, the previous day's close, and then the previous day's opening, which would be way over here somewhere, and then the 20-period exponential moving average, which we will use both for trade management a lot, but also for entries here and there, like pullbacks to it when the market's in a nice trend.